Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emmanuel and I share simple tech videos to help you learn fast. Today's topic is Ubuntu versus Linux, two of the most popular Linux operating systems. Which one should you use? Let's find out. Before we dive in, I have a question for you. Have you used Linux before? If yes, which one? Drop your answer in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Let's begin with the way they look. Ubuntu has a modern design, but it's different from Windows. It can feel new or strange. Linux Mint looks more like Windows. It has a start menu, taskbar, and simple layout. So if you're switching from Windows, Mint might feel easier to use. Let's look at the speeds and performance. Linux Mint is lighter. It runs smoothly on old or slow computers. Ubuntu needs more memory, so it works best on newer laptops. If your PC is not very powerful, go for Linux Mint. Software and ease of use. What about software? Both support the same apps like Chrome, VLC, and LibreOffice. But Linux Mint comes with more pre-installed apps like media players. With Ubuntu, you may need to install some things yourself. That's why many beginners say Linux Mint is easier to start with. Support and stability. Ubuntu is made by a big company called Canonical. It's often used in offices and servers. Mint is a community project, but it's still very reliable. Both get regular updates and are safe, but Ubuntu gets more professional support. My own opinion now. So which one is better? I think if you want something fast, easy, and familiar, go with Linux Mint. If you want something modern and official, try Ubuntu. But honestly, both are great. You can even test both on a USB stick. So which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments below, Mint or Ubuntu. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe and turn on the bell. I post tech content every week. Thanks so much for watching. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.